Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to toggle targeting on Fortnite. Launch Fortnite and go to the main menu of the game. Click on the gear icon to open Settings. Now navigate to the Controller Options tab if you play with a controller, or go to the Mouse and Keyboard tab if you play with the mouse. Now scroll through the options until you see Toggle Targeting. Switch Toggle Targeting to On, and this will change aiming so that one tap of the aim button zoom in and the other zooms out. Just jump into a match or creative mode, then press the aim button once, you'll stay zoomed in, and press it again to return to normal view. And that's it, you've enabled Toggle Targeting. This makes aiming easier and more precise, especially in long-range flights. And thank you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.